Maria and Her Math Class by Fernand Kevin A. Dumalay. Marie had an idea, fun and bright. She wanted to guess and get it right. Her math quiz was coming near, so she practiced without fear. Study hard, her teacher said. Practice your lines before you head to bed. Do your best, said Mom with a smile. Learning takes a work, but it's worth the while. She drew two lines, long and neat, and predicted, will they ever meet? If they parallel, they'll never touch, side by side, but not too much. If they're perpendicular, they make a T. A right angle crossing, just wait and see. She drew more lines and made a guess, then checked to see if she had success. If they intersect, they cross just so, making angles some high, some low. Maria smiled. Her guesses were true. She loved learning. How about you? The next day, she took her test. She tried her hardest and did her best. When she got her paper back, oh my! She smiled with a shining eyes. What a great try!